and welcome back. If you're just joining me, my name is Hun. My channel is all about making better coffee at home. So this morning, it's gonna be really exciting. This morning, here's what we're gonna do, okay? This morning, I'm going to kind of like give you guys the first look. I know some of you are thinking about upgrading to Barista Pro, so it's gonna be a great way to kind of show you guys, give you the first look of it, and then put everything back together, okay? So let's take a look. Very, very clean look of it. Beautiful chrome on the bottom as well. Obviously we have the temper. And then the dial is no longer, okay, so this is very interesting because with the Barista Express, the grinder setting was like, more like clicking, but this feels like step-less type feels to it. So I'm really looking forward to playing with that as well. And obviously we have the LCD screen. We got menu buttons. And then we got steam knob there. So this one has a 4-hole instead of 1 from Barista Express. So that's new. And then actually it seems a lot heavy duty as well. Okay, feels a lot thicker and feels better. Okay, to the sides, obviously we got the steam one, we got on and up, and the water jug from the bottom, from the back side, and that comes to on the top. Again, so this bird set is identical as Barista Express. Okay, so there's no difference. They're identical. You can actually adjust the grinder setting from the upper bowl adjustment as well, 1 through 10. And yep, that's pretty much, I mean, they're same, okay? So you're not upgrading, comes to grinder quality, okay, for Pro version. You are definitely upgrading the grinder setting for sure. So I'm really looking forward to that. And the backside, so this is what they did, is very clever. Instead, so this is somewhat, you can actually hide the cable, okay? You can pull it like this, so. And if you're gonna be a little shorter, push back, okay? So it's really handy. I mean, I really like that about this feature as well. And that comes to, what comes with it? Comes to obviously portafilter, 54 millimeter. Comes with the brush, cleaning tool, and also it's called razor. So that's the, I got it. So this one, once you temp it, use the razor to kind of like guide you. And next thing you're gonna see is all the filter baskets. We got the pressurized and non-pressurized, double and single. And also this rubber gasket for the clean me cycle as well. Exactly like Barista Express. So now what I'm gonna do is, let's put some water in it and see, okay? Okay, so let's plug it in. So it should be pretty much the same as Barista Express. So right now I'm at the finite coarser setting right now. So go up to number 30. So this is about 17, 16. So this is about midway point there. Okay, there we go. 17, so 16. By the way, so this one is kind of like step less, feels to it.
Water, Todd says he has a Pro. Add more, this is normal.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, so this is actually really cool, guys. With Barista Express, I mean, you have the dials, you got clicking with it, they are step. So this one is kind of more like step less, okay? So here I got 17. If I go to 18, I have a little room to actually adjust the finer adjustment as well. So I'm very cool. Very cool. Okay, so what else we can play with? So that's the grinder size, and then we got grind size, we got grind amounts. Okay, so grind amounts So they are based on the time dose, okay? So which means they're gonna run for 13 seconds. The grind is a run for 13 seconds. So that's what's going on there as well. Okay, hold on. So I'm gonna click the menu button. Okay, menu. I'm going to move it. Aha, check this out. So you can also change the temperature, okay? And push that button to stay in the menu. Ah, okay, got it. I wish they give us the actual numbers. So they're just like Barista Express, guys. So you got the default temperatures right there. So you go up, you got +2, +4, default, -2, -4, I bet. Okay, very similar to Barista Express. Okay, so someone asked me the thermal jet versus thermal. Actually, Barista Express uses the thermal block. Okay, so thermal jet means it's so much faster. So watch this. So here's my Barista Express. Yeah, it's blinking right now. We are waiting. So this is a Barista Express. We're still waiting. We are waiting some more. Now, so this is thermal block, okay? So now it's coming. So now we have steam kicks in. So let's take a look at Barista Pro, okay? I'm gonna turn it on right now. Here we go. That's it. What, 3-4 seconds? This one has a 4 horse in it as well. So it's a lot more powerful so far. So far I'm really impressed with the grinder size as well as the steaming power. So I mean that's good stuff. Okay. Because personally I like to use the the single wall basket. So if you just got this, you guys wonder about the filter baskets. So this is double size. On the back of it, you're gonna see that tiny holes there. Hopefully you guys can see it. So that is a double wall, which means a pressurized basket. I don't like this one, but this one has lots of holes in it. So this one I prefer. I like to use. I'm just gonna lock it in. If you're new to the channel, I like to measure out about 18 grams every time. Okay, I know you don't have to. I know some people like to use the hopper. Personally, I like to use a single dose at a time. They're different, okay? Okay. Okay, good. I'm just going to...
recommendation on this machine.
This is our first shot using Barista Pro. They also give you a clock as well, time. Okay, I got 43 grams in 19 seconds. Okay, good. So our grinder setting at number 20 right now. So 20 is way too fast. I think time mentioned about number 7 should be too coarse or either. I mean too fine. So I think let's go what, number 15? Let's try number 14, okay? Let's do that one more time. Too fast, again. Way too fast. Even faster than the last time. Give it a one last time. So now we are at 16. You know what, let's go, Todd says 7, wasn't it earlier? You know what? Maybe we go down to 7. What Todd recommended earlier. So let's try that. Okay, we got 24 gram, 45, 40. Yeah, I mean, this is considered as a decent shot there, but I think we can go even finer too, okay? I bet you we can go even finer. For me, it's not my favorite. Cheers.
What was the grind setting?
This is a Malabar, so this is Indian Malabar, so I think this is great for latte. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so right now we are at number 7. And then let's go down to number 6. Okay, let's go down to number 6. I'm going to up dosing amount to 19 gram this time. Okay, so let's do that. I'm gonna go up to 19 gram and go down to number 6. So it's gonna give you a little finer setting, and the dosing amounts also slow down your shot as well. So doing the pre-infusion thing right now. Timer. Okay, much better this time. 19, so I'm looking about 38 gram, 40 gram or so. Okay, I got 40, yep, good. 50 gram at 31 seconds. So this is a fantastic shot. Okay, I think we got it. Okay, as you can see from there. Beautiful crema. Yeah, so I think we got it there. I mean, I thought it's gonna be a lot harder to use, but so far, I mean, this is my first time ever using the Barista Pro without reading a manual. So just gonna start the steam. I mean, already pumps is already kick in. I think this is almost done. Seems a lot faster than Barista Express. Okay. I mean, milk is nice and fluffy. Not the fluffy, but kind of like wet paint there. Okay, here we go.
You have lots of questions.
Looks good. Okay. I mean, yeah, not bad. Cheers. Man. The thing about the small latte, so this is 6-ounce cup, so about 2 ounces of espresso and about 4 ounces of milk here. I mean, if you guys like really strong coffee flavor, definitely try get the 6-ounce cup. Man, you know what? I wish I have more caramel here. Hold on. Okay, I'm just gonna little bit on it. Cheers. All right, so overall, pre-intuitive is not that bad so far, but I think I need to play with the grinder setting more, okay? Because I'm at like low range. The grinder setting go up to number 30. I'm at number 10, pretty much number 6. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to change my inner burr size to maybe, I don't know, it's right now at 6, maybe go down to even 4. So, which means I can up my outside grinder setting. So coming days, I'm going to show you guys how to do that, okay? If you don't know how to do it, I'm going to show you guys how to. And also, I'm going to do some more research on this. So I'm going to show you guys some tips and tricks as well.